Hi and welcome to another Delft Stack video. If your iPhone alarm is too quiet, difficult to hear, or not waking you up properly, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to increase the alarm volume on your iPhone. The alarm feature is designed to alert or wake you up, so it is important to make sure the volume is set high enough. In this video, I'll walk you through the settings you need to check to make your alarm louder and ensure it works correctly every time. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under the Ringtone and Alert section, you'll see a volume slider. This slider controls the volume level used for ringtones, notifications, and alarms. To make your alarm louder, simply drag the slider to the right. The further you move it to the right, the louder your alarm will be. Just below the slider, you'll also see an option called Change with Buttons. This setting determines whether the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone can change the ringtone and alarm volume. If this option is turned off, you can still use the volume buttons to adjust media volume, but your ringtone and alarm volume will remain at the level you set using the slider. If this option is turned on, pressing the volume buttons can accidentally lower your alarm volume without you realizing it. For that reason, I recommend turning off Change with Buttons. This helps prevent accidentally reducing your alarm volume and ensures your alarm remains loud enough when you need it. Now, if your alarm volume is already set to maximum but your alarm is still too quiet, only vibrates, or doesn't make any sound at all, there's another setting you should check. But before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel Delft Stack for more iPhone tips, troubleshooting guides, and step-by-step tutorials. Open the Clock app on your iPhone. Tap on the Alarm tab at the bottom. Select the alarm you want to check. Next, tap on Sound. Here you'll see a list of available alarm tones. Choose a ringtone that is loud and easy to hear. Make sure that None is not selected. If None is selected, your alarm will be muted and won't play any sound when it goes off. After selecting a ringtone, tap back and then tap Save to confirm the changes. It's also a good idea to test the sound by selecting different tones and choosing one that is loud enough for your environment. Another useful thing to know is that your scheduled alarm will still play through your iPhone's built-in speaker, even when silent mode is enabled. Likewise, alarms are designed to sound even if Do Not Disturb or a focus mode is active. So in most cases, those settings will not prevent your alarm from going off. And before you leave, make sure to test your alarm after making these changes so you can confirm that everything is working correctly. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Delft Stack and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.